Everyone, welcome back. For blue green, so what I have done, I have deleted all the rollouts or the application which was part of canary based deployment or which was serving the canary one. So I have again recreated this whole hello world application via use of Argo MCP server. Okay, so this time 5 replica is there, deployment is there. Now converts this deployment to roll out and configure blue green deployment strategy. Okay, again I will go to cursor and this time I will say, can you convert the hello world deployment to rollout? This time I want to manage blue green deployment. The namespace will be default only. Okay, so I'm directly triggering that convert deployment to rollout tool. Now it says it has successfully converted the deployment to rollout with blue green strategy. Okay, and let's say on the rollout dashboard it says blue, right? So blue, right now this version is marked as blue and 5 pods are up and running, and we can verify from Argo CD dashboard as well, right? Rollout replica set and 5 versions are there, right? For this specific replica set 5 pods are there. Okay, perfect. And behind the scene, what it has done, it has created 2 services known as hello world active and preview. So active is the one which is serving the current version, strategy is blue, so this is the one. Okay, so let me expose this service as traffic ingress. Okay, so that we can start seeing from the browser itself. Okay, so for this I have already created one manifest file. What it is doing, so it is creating a simple ingress route. It says in order to go to this URL, okay, you have to forward the request to this service, right? Hello world active, and the port is 80, right? And there is another route known as hello world preview.example.com. okay, and this is the port, hello world preview, right? So let me apply this one. Reference, this is manifest and the manifest file is hello world ingress route blue green, right? So now we can check from this traffic dashboard, right? See, so there is 2 route, one for green and one for blue, right? This is preview and the other one is green. Okay, see, perfect. Hello world preview.example.com. so I have already put an entry on my local host for preview and green, right? So if I will open this one, right, hello world green.example.com, so this has been served via rollout, right? And I will open preview example. So So both are pointing the same rollout, right? Let's roll out. So right now currently it is 1.16.0, right? And I have another version of this Nginx. So from the MCP client I will say, can you roll out from this image? So it has updated this rollout hello world and the image, right? And let us check from the dashboard. Okay. So this is the latest one and this is the previous revision, right? So preview and hello world green. And what I can do, I can green is this and see, preview is currently serving the latest one, right? Blue and green, right? So at a given time, so this is this black background and this is the white one, right? So the idea of blue green is, so once the deployment has been done, so the preview version you have to test, you have to do some kind of analysis, and if this goes well then you roll out this version, right? So let's suppose I have already tested and now I want to make it full, right? Or I want to promote it. Okay, so all I have to do is yes, go ahead, because the agent has already identified that whether it needs to promote this version or not, if I have already tested it. Okay, so it has promoted. Now we'll say this is now the stable one, and after 11 seconds automatically these pods will get deleted, right? And we can verify from here. Okay, so we'll copy this one, this address, yeah, the pod has started getting deleted. There is no previous pods remaining, so now the active traffic is getting served via this revision. And again we'll go to incognito and we'll see the traffic is getting served via this revision, which is, that's why we are seeing this black background. So this is how this blue green works. Okay, the only difference with canary or blue green is at a given time on the canary there is some overlap between those two versions for some duration. Okay, but on the blue green side, so at a given time only one version will be active. Once you have tested it, then you can promote it. Okay, so on blue green, so there is no kind of overlapping. Okay, so just keep this on mind, and depending upon your use case, then configure blue green or canary based one. So the same analysis template you can configure like what we have done on the canary. So to make it intelligent rollout, you can configure analysis based on Prometheus query, saying that the response of 5x's should not go beyond 5%. Okay, then automatically depending upon that individual result or the analysis, it will automatically roll out or will automatically roll back the changes. Okay, so whatever we have done on the canary, the life cycle we can also manage via blue green. So this MCP server is capable of doing those things. Okay, so just play around all the tools and follow along the documents. So Now we have covered blue green, we have covered canary, we have also migrated existing deployment to rollout. So the third and the final part of this series will be how one should be doing A/B kind of testing, right? So we'll see you on that A/B testing video. Bye.